Welcome to Saint-Gobain, a manufacturing company in Hoosick Falls, New York. Saint-Gobain was founded in France in 1665 by King Louis XIV as the manufacturer of mirror glass. Today they are located in 79 countries and have 160,000 employees worldwide. They produce many different high-end products, but here in Hoosick Falls they make silicone rubber, foam, PTFE film, and tape, which is used in many different applications.
My name is Julie Luciano. I help with many things relating to how our process works, whether it's new development of products, new processing, troubleshooting, the quality. Manufacturing is applicable to everything and anything that we use. You could be part of something that has a really big impact. We make materials that go into space shuttles and airplanes. Our little plant here in Hoosick Falls is a manufacturer that makes stuff that no one else in the world can. So it's really cool to see what we can do here.
My name is Hunter Kiorno. I am a rubber department utility operator here at Saint-Gobain. Kind of goes to show that if you're interested in a job in the production field and the manufacturing field, you can get into it right after high school. The cool factor comes from everything you produce. How does what you're doing, make the world better?
So this is where we make Teflon film, PTFE film. We take powdered raw materials and we basically compact them into a cylinder. Then we take that cylinder and then we peel off film with a big sharp blade. And that process is called skiving.
I'm a process development engineer. I work on processes that are new here for products. Sometimes new products require a new process. It's all part of the creative process.
Right, I told these guys, manufacturing takes a creative mind.
We rely on us to produce the material, that's what we do well. Then we rely on our customers to convert it to whatever end state the end user wants.
One of the older Teslas was put by Elon Musk onto his spaceship and shot into outer space. So one of our rolls of tape is on its way out into outer space somewhere.
Saint-Gobain is making the world a better place and makes manufacturing cool by providing innovative solutions to their customers' problems around the world.